Hello everyone! It's me again, Manuel Sam G Masangcap of 5 SSES from Kupang Elementary School. For this video, I will be doing another activity in which I will enjoy a game and at the same time learn from it. Do you know that playing dart can be entertaining and also can be played in application of knowledge? Yes, that is right! Playing dart is a game that can be used to evaluate our learning in math, science, and English while playing. In this video, we will play dart as well as learn the following. For math, estimate the products of decimal numbers with reasonable results. For science, describe the different modes of reproduction in flowering and non-flowering plants such as moss, fern, mungo, corn, bean, and mango. Lastly, for English, examine images with present viewpoints, including giving opinions on an issue. Before we start, let me share with you how we prepared the things that we need for this activity. First, we created a DIY dartboard made from styrofoam. With the help of my daddy, we created a layout of a board that is divided into 6 non-sequential order. Then, we look for pictures of the given flowering and non-flowering plants and place them in the created layout. We printed the layout and pasted it into the styrofoam. Here is our DIY dartboard and our darts. How to play this dart game? Throw the dart onto the parts of the board. If the dart lands into the provided section, that is the time that I will be examining the plant picture and estimate the product of the decimal numbers. Moreover, I will describe the modes of reproduction in the given plants using my own opinion or viewpoint. But before we begin the game, take note that I will be estimating the product of the given decimal numbers. I will be using compatible numbers. Compatible numbers are numbers that are close in value to the actual numbers, which will make it easy to do mental arithmetic. Remember, when estimating with compatible numbers, we generally choose numbers that we can work with mentally. So we're all set! Are you ready to play dart now? Come on! Let's start! Let's have our first throw. Wow! What an amazing throw! The dart landed in the section with the picture of the ferns. I found out that like moss, fern is a spore-bearing plant. From the picture, it looks like those mature ferns produce spores on the underside of their leaves. These spores are released into the wind and will grow into what is called a gametophyte, and that is a whole separate individual plant. Most ferns reproduce sexually, that male and female cells are produced onto the plants, and after fertilization occurs, the adult fern begins to develop. The fact that the mature ferns grow into spores under the leaves is amazing. It is also great that we have figured out how these plants reproduce. For the given decimal numbers, 27 and 63 hundredths times 5 and 32 hundredths, I will multiply 30 and 5, and with that, I got the estimated product equals to 150. Let's have another throw. That was another amazing throw. The dart landed on the picture of the corn. I enjoy eating corn. That is why I wonder how it is grown. From what I read, I've learned that corn is a monoecious plant where both the male and female reproductive parts are present in the same plant. Reproduction is carried out sexually. It is wind-pollinated. For the given decimal numbers 7 and 97 hundredths times 12 and 56 hundredths, I will multiply 8 and 10, and with that, I got the estimated product equals to 80. Every time we go in my grandfather's farm, I usually see many mango trees. I heard from my lolo that mangoes can be reproduced sexually through seeds and asexually through grafting or budding. Mango trees planted from seeds are deep-rooted and survive over hundreds of years, while grafted mango trees are shallow-rooted and have a shorter lifespan. Wow! There are so many ways on how mango can be planted that it is no surprise that many people love mango fruits. For the given decimal numbers 87 and 21 hundredths times 34 and 12 hundredths, I will multiply 90 and 30, and with that, I got the estimated product, which is equal to 2,700. That was another great throw. The dart landed on the section with the picture of the moss. In the picture, it clearly shows that mosses are very small, soft, green plants that grow close together. It is so cool that mosses can reproduce both sexually and asexually and in different ways. For the given decimal numbers 5 and 65 hundredths times 7 and 25 hundredths, I will multiply 6 and 7, and with that, I got the estimated product, which is equal to 42. Let's have another throw. My grandmother loves to cook meals with beans. It is good to know that beans have flowers that primarily pollinate themselves. My grandmother loves to cook meals with beans. It is good to know that beans have flowers that can primarily pollinate themselves. Each flower contains both male and female reproductive parts that mature at the same time. As the flowers are pollinated or fertilized, seed pods develop. Bean plants flower and set mature seed pods at the same time. It is good to know that if they are left dry for too long, they will split over time. They also can have so many recipes to use them on, which is so cool. For the given decimal numbers 23 and 84 hundredths times 35 and 62 hundredths, I will multiply 20 and 40, and with that, I got the estimated product, which is equal to 800. It's time for our last row. Great! That is another amazing throw. The dart landed in the section with the picture of mango. Growing mango plant is so easy that it can be done at home. I personally have experienced soaking mango seeds in water and let them grow from a container. It is only after 2 days that some seeds begin germinating and sprouting. As it matures, the plant will put forth stems that will grow plants. Then flowers will appear, which are self-pollinating and do not require wind or insects. Mango reproduces sexually. For the given decimal numbers 86 and 41 hundredths times 6 and 84 hundredths, I will multiply 90 and 7, and with that, I got the estimated product equals to 630. That was the last picture that we have, so we're done already. Did you notice that in the discussion of the reproduction modes of the given different plants, I used my viewpoints of the images? Yes, that's right. In the last part of the discussion, I expressed my own opinion on the concept of the given viewing piece. Actually, I watched videos, read materials, and interviewed individuals to acquire knowledge about the concept. With the knowledge that I have, I was able to give my own context of the given materials. Wow! That was fun playing dart. It is so entertaining. Indeed, I learned while playing. So that's it. Always remember that learning is our best tool for a better future. So let us do it every day. Learn and discover to become smarter. Again, I am Manuel Sam G. Masangcap. See you again next time. Bye!